G'day, here we are at 24 Weinam Street, Redland Bay. So this one's a little bit different and interesting. In the heart of the primary development land of Redland Bay, you're on 845 square metres that can be subdivided. The house itself has solid bones. It's got brick construction, a 2-storey with a floor plan that allows for 5 bedrooms upstairs. Now downstairs, the work's already started. It's currently set up for dual living. It's got a brand new kitchen, bathroom tiled through to the ceiling, living area and 3 bedrooms. Upstairs, you've got yourself a blank canvas. It's got 5 bedrooms, hardwood timber floors. The kitchen and dining looks out over the backyard. Now, being in the primary development area of Redland Bay, there's opportunity to still go higher with apartment developments. Is something to think about. Providing plenty of street frontage, you've got side access out to the back where you've got your 3 bay shed. Now, if you're a hard worker and not afraid to have a go and reap the rewards, give me a call today.